I've found that there's a disconnect, a brand misalignment, if you like, because organisations say they stand for whatever their purpose is. You know, it might be on their website, it's on their mission statement, but in reality, the workforce can see that the leadership are just paying lip service to these statements. Do they really mean what they say? Can they feel it? Well, if you've got that disconnect, it's because they just don't see that as being the reality. They're not able to see that through your actions. So it's one thing to have the words, but we need to back it up with action, genuine actions that support that mission. And that, of course, can be addressed. We just need to know how to do it. And that's where I know I can help people come to that realization. I believe that organisations can get results when they do make that investment in their leaders, because the leaders are ultimately responsible. And somehow that gets lost in translation. So when they're recognising that they're ultimately responsible, obviously the way that you make that connection is going to dictate the results that you get.